Hey guys, welcome to another beautiful video. I never thought I'd be reviewing a vacuum cleaner, but the day has come. This is a different vacuum cleaner, by the way. It's a USB-C rechargeable vacuum cleaner, which I keep in my car, and it's made by a company called Wyze, which I have security cameras from them as well. Not sponsored, by the way, just is a company that I ended up buying a few products. Yes, it wasn't that bad. I can't say their products were bad. So what do I have in front of me is a Wyze handheld vacuum cleaner USB-C, and yes, it was around $50, less around that, 50 something dollars, but prices vary all the time. I didn't put everything back in because I took it out to test it, and yes, it worked, and I've had it for over 2 months now just to see if it works before I even review it, so I don't just tell you, oh yeah, it's beautiful and it looks beautiful, but you go get it and it doesn't work. In my case, yes, it worked really good. It came with one of these kind of comb brush cleaner, whatever you want to call that, USB Type-C charger. As you see right here, that's the original that came with the Wyze cleaner. Put it in the side. A really nice and chunky brick. It's let me just see. It's a 2 amp 5 volts, which makes that 10 watts that this machine needs. Under the machine itself, we have another cleaner head slash whatever you want to call that, with the soft spots. I use it to clean the seats especially. Put that on the side. Quick start guide. If you want to read that, you can go ahead and do so. I don't know where I put the other 2 extensions, probably somewhere in the car, but you get the point. There's no need to really have those here right now. Let me close it back up and put it in the side. And right here is the machine we are talking about. Let me open it up. It comes with this really nice pouch bag slash plastic piece, which I really appreciate that. At least they went to the extent of doing it. Here's the machine itself. It says right here, handheld vacuum made by Wyze. Here's a turn on button. Here's the USB-C charging port. Here's the filter inside. Here's the head of it. How you turn it on, you hold this here. You click it again. You change the speed. Click it again. You lower the speed and hold it again to turn it off. You clean the pre-filter or wherever the garbage resides by opening this little latch slash button here, and you take your garbage out and you close it. You want to take the filter out to clean, twist it and pull it, and here you have the, what do you call, the filter. There's a tiny filter inside of here. As you see, it has some dirt already that I tested it, and this is the pre-filter. Let me put it back on there. Let me put it back in here. You put it in and twist it in one of the sides. I forget now which side. Yeah, here. It has some latch inside. You pull, you twist it, and then here you have a small like indentation. If you see right there, you have to match it with a line here in order to put it back together, as you see right here, and you pull it when it comes to the lock position. And let's test if it charges first before we try to clean something really quick, so you see it in action. And let's use the charger that came with it, because that's supposed to be better than anything else. I actually charged it with my Samsung charger and it worked just perfect. And the car USB 2.0 charger that I have, not 2.0, 2 amp, the small ones you put at the lighter, it worked and it charged the vacuum cleaner as well. So just so you know, now it's plugged in the wall, and let's plug it in here. Yes. Oh yeah, as you see right here, I'm not sure if you can see the dot there, the LED going in and out, that indicates this vacuum cleaner is charging. And after that, let's try to make a mess here intentionally and see how it cleans it. First of all, I have a K-cup right here that I'm gonna probably destroy, because I just, in the name of science. In the name of science. Let me open it and toss it my table, which will not be pleasant, but hey, it helps you guys see it in real life, if it's working or how it works. And let's spread it a little bit more so we don't have it that easy, and I hope you can see that. And I'm not gonna put any other heads, I'm just gonna go straight up from this part. Hold it up. And yes, it cleaned it, as you see here. Actually, my table needs some really good cleaning, but never mind that part. And actually now the vacuum smells really good from the coffee, which I like that. Now let's make some bigger mess, or worse, some tree here. We just throw some of it on the table. It's a cedar branch, for you that are wondering what kind of tree. And yes, it was fallen on the ground, so I didn't just, you know, go out and break a tree on the name of a video. I do respect trees because they do a lot of service for us, and we have to love them. I know. Just bear with me. This will be just in a minute. And as you see right here, it's all said and done. Let's turn it back on and see how much we can clear. And as you see, all that dirt and stuff that we just saw is now inside the vacuum. And if I wanted to clean it, I'll just open this up. And as you see, that's where the coffee and tree stuff and all that good stuff is in there. I'm not gonna do it on the table because, you know, it was enough that I cleaned the table finally. So don't tell anyone. And yes, this is the Wyze USB Type-C rechargeable handheld vacuum cleaner. What do I think about it? I think it's actually a great tool to have in your car, especially in your car, to clean around the seats or to clean something quick, and you just throw it on the back, you plug in the USB and keep it charged for the whole time, and it keeps the charge quite a lot. I can clean the entire car in one charge, and I'm talking about to get in the nooks and crannies of the car. So, you know what to do. If you like one of these, you can go get them yourself. I don't have any affiliate link with them. I'm not sponsored from them. And they don't even know I exist. But I know they do exist. And we'll see you in the next video. It might be another Wyze product. And by the way, no, it's not sponsored again. We'll see you next time. And if you subscribe, makes me very happy. Thank you. Bye!